Today I find myself at Spintex Road, the busy Spintex Road. I'm currently at Sansam Solar, as you can see on top of me. So I'd like to show you some of the things that they sell in here. So without not talking further, let's just go ahead and get into the showroom. Hi, Nana Kofi.
Hello, welcome to Sunsum Energy.
Thank you very much. Today, I decided to come by to show my viewers some of the things that you sell in here. So if you could just give us a quick...
That's fine. You are very welcome.
Thank you.
So this is Sunsum Energy. We are about wholesaling of solar products. Also, we help with assistance in terms of giving solutions to our customers or installers. So basically, we have a wide range of inverters. We also have wide ranges of batteries. So I'll take you with the inverter first.
Okay, sure.
So we have 3 series of our inverters. This series is made up of a 1.5 kilowatts, a 3 kilowatts, and a 5 kilowatts. So when you see our 1.5, 3 kilowatts, and then 5 kilowatt, they look like this ones. So they are made up of one series. We have another series that is made up of our 10 kilowatts. So anytime you hear an SRNE 10 kilowatt, this is what it's about. Then we have the third series. All these are based on inverters only.
Okay.
So these inverters are what we have at a 6 kilowatt and a 12 kilowatt. These inverters are what I call our premium inverters. They are very robust. So they can both do an on-grid system and an off-grid system. So basically, I can say you can install this in your house, have panels and not have batteries. They work very fine. So this is the range of inverters we actually have here.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, so coming to our batteries, we actually have a wide range as well. So we have the 5 kilowatts, we have the 10 kilowatts, we have the 14 kilowatts, and we have the 16 kilowatts. So our 5 kilowatts is made up of 3 models. So the models are made up of 5 kilowatts R basically. So the inverters is 5 kilowatt, the batteries are 5 kilowatts R. So this is the stackable type. So this ones, you could stack them and have multiple battery bank based on what your solution is. And this is our pro version of the 5 kilowatt. And then we also have a light version of the 5 kilowatt that looks like this. Yes, so it means that even the batteries, we have 2 types. We have the pro and we have the light. So the difference basically has to do with how it's molded, the display, and then how it works in terms of installing. So this is a typical example of our 10 kilowatts. So it's user friendly. You could see based on the percentage and based on what you're using in the house, the specific load, you could see the hours you can use it for. It's a touch screen. You could check and see even per cells. So there are a lot of people who are selling the batteries with wrong cells. So here it tells you exact cells in there, and so you know you have the best solution for yourself. You know you have the quality that ensures what you need in the house. This is our 16 kilowatts. We have a 14 kilowatts. So basically, these are our ranges from inverters and batteries. We also have panels. Our panels is a TW. So TW is actually a tier 1 brand. So they are bifacial panels. We have both 620 and 715. Now, a lot of people ask me, why 715? Because if you're an engineer and you go to a site, you know that there are roof sizes. Sometimes a bigger capacity of inverter can give you the best solution. So we have all those ones to support you, both the 620 and the 715. That's it for our panels. We also have 12 volts and 24 volt batteries as well. So we have a 12 volts, 100 Ah, and we have the 24 volt, 100 Ah. And this is also an all-in-one inverter. So this has a battery, has an inverter in there, so it's all in one. Yes, of course, we sell this product, but we also ensure that we give the installers or the home users the best solutions. So we have all accessories in addition to install our items. So we have a changeover here that has 2 sources. So you could have your grid, that's ECG, you could have solar here and give you 2 outputs. So you could put this output based on the sections of your apartment. So this, what I change, it's an automatic changeover. It switches seamlessly. A very great solution for you. Now we have our DC bars. So these are basically when you are trying to do like for multiple batteries. So you can have multiple batteries, put it in there, and it works. So it's 4 in, 4 out, meaning 4 batteries can go inside, comes out to your inverter. A robust and a well-designed solution. And these are 300. Also has a breaker in there. Best solution, you have 2 batteries, 1 inverter, you should get this. So these are like our solutions of items we have. We have small accessories. So this, the voltage regulator. So this to be able to regulate in your house ECG, because sometimes ECG is not giving very good voltages. When it comes to the inverter, it messes things up. So we have protective devices just like this. We even have the voltage selector, so you could have all the 3 phases and 1 output that goes to your house. Anytime it's picking the best solution for you. So we have that as well. We have the battery breakers, automatic changeovers, all the accessories that would make the solution better for any installer. So of course, I think it's a right place to always be.
Okay, so what is this thing over here, this particular device?
Yes, so this is actually a 10 kilowatt inverter.
Okay.
And every slide of it is a 5 kilowatt battery. So
okay.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Oh, okay.
So this is a 20 kilowatt backup for the batteries and a 10 kilowatt for the inverter. But actually these are not in stock yet, but then we are looking at bringing some of that into there.
So I have got a lot of questions
That's
for
fine.
you. With your inverters, you have 3 series or 3 ranges of inverters. In what situation or in what circumstance would you recommend a certain type of inverter?
So that's basically for solution given. Sometimes it will depend on what the client actually needs. So if you're a client and you have a big capacity or you have a very big house, I will not recommend the smaller ones for you.
Okay.
Because maybe the 10 kilowatt now is the best solution for you, but in the future you might bring extra appliances that would need a big capacity. So pairing this and one other is a 20 kilowatt. That's a big capacity that is feasible for your solution. But we have a house that has a small, it has a fan, it has a television, just some small load. The 5 kilowatts would be the best solution for the person. You see, sometimes when you are sizing the system, it has to be also cost effective. So once you have the people to give you the best solution, we are able to recommend the ones that are feasible for you to be able to meet cost and also have uninterrupted power. This solution is a very robust solution. So with this one, yes, of course, big apartment, maybe in the farms and all that, because it's an IP65. It can be put outside or it can be put inside. But the smaller systems are indoor inverters. So those ones, they are recommended you install them inside the room. So these are for the inverters. So basically the solution that the person needs is what you look at and give him the inverter. Myself, I have a very small apartment for my siblings. So what I did is I just installed a 1.5 kilowatts and there are 3 rooms and they are using it with uninterrupted power, fully solar off grid. Yes, so sometimes it depends. Maybe my solution, somebody will come and see and say, oh, do a 5 kilowatt, but then I sized it, I made sure the 1.5 was a good solution and I give it. But 1.5 is a smaller solution. So to the audience, if you are looking at this, it doesn't mean you come for 1.5 and you are sorted. Yes, I mean, you have to go through the due diligence. We know the items you use and all that. And that way we are able to size a better system for you.
Okay, so you mentioned that these particular 2 inverters are IP65 rated, means you can install them outside.
Yeah.
Do you have any of the batteries that are also IP65 rated?
Yes, we do. So the 16 kilowatt is also an IP65.
Okay, so it means this one can go outside.
Yes, this one can go outside. So the Pro ones are IP65, and then the light ones, I think they are IP30 or something. Yes, right. So if you have this out, you can have this out, but at the end of the day, you have to protect it very well. Yeah. Sure. So
what are these devices? You didn't mention.
All right, so these are charge controllers.
Okay.
So these are charge controllers that you can use. So nowadays, first we had the solutions whereby they weren't hybrid inverters. You have to have the inverter and have the charge controller. So the charge controller basically takes the panels and charges the battery. And so they are like different units. Even now, some of the brands out there are still doing this configuration. So once you have those solutions, then the charge controllers are the best solutions for you. So there are ranges. We have a 40 amps, we have a 60 amps, and we have a 100 amps charge controller. So based on the solution of batteries you have, that's what will be sized and get this for you. But apart from that, there are a lot of people who are using it nowadays. That's the telecom guys. So they use charge controllers. So they are also good solutions for them.
Okay, I see. So apart from what some of the things that we've seen here, are there any other things that you sell that are not here?
Yes. So like I'm saying, we are a company who try and give solutions to our customers. So even if you don't have it here and you want it, you can reach out to us.
Okay.
We'll give you the best solution and we'll get the items at the best quality.
Okay, so what brands, for the inverters and batteries, what brand do you normally sell?
So our brands are SRNE.
Okay.
Yeah, that's our brand. Actually, I sometimes say there are a lot of people who sell brands that are labeled by their ideologies. So they go to China, they get a company, they put their names in there and they bring it. We are Sansam. We are selling SRNE.
Okay.
So it means that we know the quality and that's why we are selling it. We are not trying to put only our names out. We are trying to give the quality items to the market. So just like our panels are TW and TW is a tier 1. So a lot of people in Ghana, what happens is when the panel is familiar or it gets in the market for long, that's what everybody wants. But then we don't look at that. At the end of the day, we are looking at helping our installers. So if we are doing that, we get the tier 1 brands, the brands that we can stand by and say, yes, we will speak to it. And this is what we have in the market. So okay. SRNE is a global brand. Yeah. When you go to the UK and you want SRNE, you buy it. When you go to Australia, you buy it. So it's not limited to Africa. It's actually a global brand.
I see. So it means that in Ghana, you are the sole distributor of SRNE brands.
Of course.
Okay.
So we are the sole distributor of SRNE in Ghana.
Okay, I see. I think we didn't talk about this. What's this and what's that?
All right. So this is a power station. So it's a small unit, a 600 watt. And what is used is just a small unit you could use for maybe camping. Assuming you have some camping somewhere, it has a capacity of 2.5 kilowatt. You could send it there, do a small light, put your light on, put your laptops on. It could be also a solution for you when you have a small office in your house. You can put this on for your machines and all that. When your light is out, it doesn't say you have to stop working. You can use that. And even this also does the same solution. So this is an all-in-one unit, a 3 kilowatts, a 2.5 kilowatt hour battery, and that can be also used for that solution. And these are like foldable panels. So these panels can be used. You can hold it. It's as simple as you can see it. So you can hold it, send it where you want to. When the sun is out, you open it, you charge your power station. So yeah, we have a 1 kilowatt of it, and we have a 6 kilowatt of it. 600 watts of it. Okay.
All right, Nana Kofi, I think you've told us a lot. Is there anything more you would like to share, your contact details or social media or something?
Sure. So you just go online and say you want to come to Sunsum Energy, and then you see our products online, you see our contacts online, you can contact us and come. We are actually located on the Manet Junction, close to the battery planet. We are just there. So anytime you need any items, you just contact us. We are in to support you.
Okay, so let's walk through the items again. So you have panels, you have inverters, you have batteries, you have all the accessories such as SPDs, breakers, cables. What else? If there's anything more.
So we are like the one-stop solution
for everything.
For everything.
Okay, solar.
So if you say you want a 10 kilowatt system, when you come here, I'm giving you everything. A
solution for a 10 kilowatt.
Protective devices and all that.
Okay.
But what we don't do is we don't do installations.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But when you come to us, we can recommend some of our good installers to help you do the installations. But yes, we have all the range, everything solar, it's here.
Okay.
So when you come and you want solar, we suggest the full solution for you. We quote you on the full solution, and then we get you a very trained and certified installer to install for you.
Okay, I see that you have an inverter setup over here. Does that mean that your office is fully Offgrid?
Yes.
Okay.
So like I always say, I stand by my products. I know what my products are. So when we got this, first we were running our warehouse until we change it to the showroom. The showroom is purposely so that you come in, you see every items, and then the ones you want, you can take it. So we scrapped everything out of the place, rewired the place, and then we put the place on solar. So we have 12 panels of the 620 on the roof, and we have a 10 kilowatt inverter, and we have a 10 kilowatt battery. We run 3 ACs in this apartment.
Yeah.
We have a small fridge. We have a dispenser, and then normal office stuff, computers, phone charging, and all those things. We have a small place in there where we do trainings once a while. So, I mean, we run on this off-grid, fully off-grid. So, a typical example is telling you that in this afternoon we have 99%. It means our panels are effective enough to even take us, to even make the batteries be full and all that. Now, somebody will say, because I'm saying that, give me the same solution. Maybe the same solution will be good for you. Because we work daytime.
Yeah.
We are 24/7 on our items. If you call me and say, hey, we are traveling to Kumasi, I want to pick my items as early as 4 a.m., I'm here to support you. But then we don't work in the evening. So this solution is the best solution for us. But with you, maybe you would want a lot, you have a lot of loads you run in the evening, and so you need maybe a bigger battery bank, and then we can look at that solution for you.
Okay.
So fully off-grid, we trust our products. We've been here for quite some time, and it's treating us very well, no issues. We have solid warranties on our items as well. That's very important. Some of our inverters are 3 years, some are 5 years. Our batteries are 5 and 10 years. So, like I always say, because I stand for the product, I make sure I give the product the best warranty. So if you get it, I know this warranty will not fail you, of course. So this is Sansam. Anytime you need this product, you can come to us.
Do you provide support for those who have purchased and probably maybe having issues?
Yes, so we provide support. Mostly, what the support we provide is for some installers to do trainings. And even that, we are looking at embedding a system where we have a regular training for installers. So free trainings actually, because we are trying to support the installers to make sure the end users have the best solution and no issues. So we have a team purposely. I said we don't have installers, but we have a team who they are installers, they can install and everything, but we don't make them install. They are on standby. Anytime you need their help, we can deploy them. If they have to come to your apartment, we've had people go to Kumasi, we've had people going to Ko, we've had people going to Aflao and all that. If our products are there, we will be there. That's for you. So, I mean, we have a solid team. Most of us are technically inclined. So one thing I also say every time is we are not your sales guy only. We are your technical support. So once we are selling to you, we are trying to give you support as well. So I think we have a lot of people who can say, yes, Sansam is very good at their after sale. And we take pride in it. We are very serious on it. It's one of our key things we stand for.
All right, okay, Nana Kofi, thank you very much for your time and taking us through some of the things you have over here.
Right.
So I must say, actually, this is what we are using for our car wash. This particular inverter, a 12 kilowatts, grid tie inverter, and then also we have two of this. Yeah, there's 16 kilowatts, two of that, and it's running very, very, very well. So there you have it. I'm sure you've seen some of the things that are being sold at Sansam. And as I always recommend them, it's very important if you are going to have a solar system installed, you get a right product, because you don't want a situation whereby you install something and some time to come you have issues. So Sansam is a place that you can get all your solar related equipment. So that'll be just about it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.